Okay, let's begin to explain geoprimitives node in Gaea. We begin from here and go to the down. Badlands. If you click and drag it in a graph, as you can see, it's created something like this, badland. It's very simple to create such these trains. And here we have two types, large or small. Yeah, it can be different in these noises, and as you can see, we have large flat area. You can change the scale if you want manually. Yeah, or with more noise. No, actually, the type is a generator. You can change the type of the generation of this, and the seat is for changing and randomize this form of the train. Yeah, as you can see, you can create such interesting things here. We have some lakes here. Maybe with the seats you can try it. Here you can undo or go into the default. Or you can click here to remember these settings that you have, and anytime that you use these badlands, it's stay in these settings. But I prefer to always be default.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.